What if humans lived in the age of dinosaurs? You know what my ego tells me? That we'd survive, that we'd outsmart them. But let's be honest, we wouldn't last a week. Starting on land, there's a T-Rex. 6 tons of muscle, teeth the size of bananas, and a brain that only thinks one thing: lunch. Try to run into the forest? Bad idea. That's raptor territory. They hunt in packs, move faster than you can blink, and they're way smarter than they should be. All right, maybe you climb higher, some cliffs, maybe mountains. Good plan, right? Nope. Up there, the pterosaurs. Massive flying reptiles, wings wider than a bus. They'd spot you from miles away and scoop you up like a snack. Okay then, maybe the ocean? Even worse. Down there you've got Mosasaurus, basically a swimming T-Rex with fins. One wrong step near the water and you're gone. Everywhere you go, land, sky, or sea, something's trying to eat you. Maybe, just maybe, you'd survive in the coldest parts of the world, where not many creatures lived, but then you'd freeze, starve, or go crazy from the storms. So yeah, if humans lived in the dinosaur age, we wouldn't be the hunters, we'd be the snacks.